Hey everyone, if your n8n workflow is not running or not triggering, don't worry, this guide will help you fix it fast. So let's go step by step. First, check your trigger node. Make sure it's set up correctly and actually active. If you're using something like a webhook or schedule trigger, confirm it's enabled and properly configured, otherwise the workflow won't start. Next, make sure your workflow is activated. In n8n, workflows won't run automatically unless they are turned on. So check the active toggle and make sure it's enabled. Now check your credentials. If any connected service like an API, Google account, or other app is not authorized, the workflow won't run. Reconnect or update your credentials if needed. After that, try running the workflow manually. Click Execute Workflow and see if it runs. This can help you identify exactly where the issue is happening. If it still doesn't run, check the logs and error messages. They usually show what's going wrong, whether it's a failed node, missing data, or connection issue. Finally, restart n8n, stop the service completely, then start it again. This can fix temporary bugs or stuck processes. And that's it. That's how you quickly fix an n8n workflow that's not running and get everything working smoothly again. Hey, everyone.